Germarel power.
This is Germarel 10 volts 6000 ampere rectifier with 6 pulse and with shock filters. Today I will show the device specification and here the screen. Let's check the inside of the device. In here we can see the mains, and here these are the delay part, these are the twisters and the power units and power suppliers, this and this one, and this is the twistor connections in here, phases, and this is the transformer units, and let's go to back side of the units. First, in here the appearing part, and here this part is negative and this part is positive part. That's all.
Germarel power.